all different families.
All right, over to one of the stars as well. You expect her to be on the team. Suni Lee, the 18-year-old from St. Paul, Minnesota, was really pushed and could lock up that second all-around spot. A few weeks ago and on note one here in St. Louis. Just to give you a guide, as we show you the scores, green is excellent, yellow is safe, and red is below average. And all that's based on the recent major international meets. Compared to those around the globe, 9-2 execution, and 5-point to solidify a spot, and Suni Lee should have one of those spots. The two-time U.S. all-around silver medalist.
Buckle up. This is wild.
Here tonight for more on her and her journey. Let's join Andrea.
Terry, when you think about everything that Suni Lee has been through the past couple of years, her composure as a competitor is really quite remarkable. Her dad's accident, battling back from a foot injury, losing a beloved aunt and uncle to COVID. And she will tell you that there is absolutely no way that she would be here tonight without the support of her family, especially her dad, John. And they did once again make the trip from Minnesota, an 8-hour drive just to be here to support her. It's worth noting that before a fall from a ladder left him paralyzed in 2019, John was the constant presence at Suni's meets while her mom was at home with her siblings. Suni says that having him back at Nationals after a 3-year absence was an amazing trip. She told me that there's definitely more pressure at times for her dad to
you were excited already.
Well, no matter what time it is that Suni gets on the bar, it's always exciting. But yeah, of course, that was the warm-up. So an athlete always gets about 30 seconds on the apparatus before it is competition time, which is why she didn't finish her routine, or if you have a mistake.
And at first she had said, are you crazy? No, I can't do that. And eventually, if she does the competition, how about this routine right now for Suni Lee?
That was great. Wow. This is tremendous for her. She said because of the injuries, I feel like people kind of are doubting me. Oh, gorgeous.
To doubt anymore. Double full.
Long flights.
Direct flight to Tokyo, 14.